is Crystal Mount, South Africa's premier workplace services company. Hygiene, compliance, excellence. Hi, I'm Trevor Whitaker, the owner and senior business advisor to CWS Executive Management. Welcome to Crystal Mount Workplace Services, South Africa's premier provider of hygiene, cleaning, and workplace solutions. If you're a facilities manager, business owner, or operations lead, this is the channel for you, my friend. With national operations from Cape Town to Gauteng, Crystal Mount services critical sectors from industrial plants and food producers to hospitality, retail, and mining. We're trusted by South Africa's leading brands because we don't just clean. We protect your people. We protect your brand. And we protect your bottom line. From HACCP, Align Deep Clean, commercial kitchen sanitation, extractor fan cleaning, fat trap servicing, and pest control, all the way to hygiene equipment rental and housekeeping teams. Our services are designed to meet the highest standards of compliance, safety, and efficiency. We understand in today's climate, your workplace must be spotless, compliant, and operationally efficient. That's why Crystal Mount is more than a service provider. We're a strategic partner. Our systems, our people, and our national footprint give you peace of mind you can actually count on. Subscribe now for insider insights, compliance tips, service highlights, and of course, behind the scenes footage showing how we deliver excellence day in and day out. Crystal Mount, where clean means business.